Buddy, not all gasoline is created equal. You might think fuel is just fuel, right?
But some gas brands quietly damage your engine over time, while others actually keep it clean and healthy. Let's uncover which ones hurt and which protect. You'll be surprised. Cheap gas can save a few bucks today, but it can cost hundreds later. Low-quality fuel may lack detergents that prevent carbon buildup. Over time, this sludge blocks injectors and lowers performance.
That's why brand choice matters more than most people realize.
Up next, we'll talk about what actually defines good gasoline. Top-tier gasoline has added detergents certified to clean your engine. These additives break down carbon and prevent deposits on valves. Brands that skip this step leave your engine dirty inside. Clean combustion means smoother acceleration and better mileage. Next, let's see the warning signs of low-quality fuel. Rough, idle, knocking, sluggish acceleration. These are red flags. If your car hesitates when you press the gas, suspect the fuel. Low-quality gasoline doesn't burn evenly. It stresses pistons, sensors, and spark plugs. But don't worry, there's a fix, and we'll get there soon. Do you always refill at the cheapest station? Sometimes saving cents per liter costs you big later. Dirty fuel tanks or weak filtration in smaller stations add risk. Stick to trusted brands when possible. Next, let's dig into why some big names still fail quality tests. Buddy, the same way you choose food for your body, choose fuel for your car. What you put in defines how long it runs strong. Treat your car right, and it'll reward you every single drive. Let's keep going. Time to name the first bad group. These brands don't meet top-tier standards. Their gas may be fine short-term, but dirty long-term. It's like skipping toothbrush for your engine. Always check if your station is top-tier certified. Next, the second group is even trickier: fake branding. Some local stations mix fuels from different sources. You never know what quality you're getting. The color and smell might seem normal, but impurities are hidden. Avoid unknown names unless you trust the supplier. Now, here's a lesser-known danger: old storage tanks. Fuel that sits too long absorbs water and contaminants. Rust inside tanks can end up in your car. Choose busy stations where fuel turnover is high. Fresh gas burns cleaner. Next, the final bad category: price traps. Super cheap gas is often blended with low-grade stock. It burns hotter, wears out seals faster, and leaves residue. Short-term savings aren't worth long-term damage.
If a deal looks too good, it probably is.
Now let's switch gears. Here come the protectors.
Don't stress about the bad, focus on the better.
Every driver learns through mistakes. What matters is making smarter choices moving forward. Now let's talk about 4 brands that actually protect your ride. Shell fuels are known for strong detergent additives. Their V-Power line keeps valves and injectors clean. Drivers often report smoother starts and better mileage. It's reliable almost anywhere. Next, another top performer in cleaning efficiency. Chevron's Techron additive is legendary among mechanics. It breaks carbon deposits better than most. Perfect for older engines or long highway drivers. A solid choice if you want your car to stay sharp. Next up, a brand that balances quality and price. They're part of the top-tier program too. Their premium grades help reduce friction and keep combustion stable. If you live in a humid area, these fuels help prevent water buildup. They're widely trusted worldwide. And for our last one, a surprise pick. BP's fuel uses active technology that fights dirt every refill. It protects injectors even in smaller engines. That's why many European manufacturers recommend it. Reliable and widely available. But remember, even good fuel needs good habits. Great fuel only works if you care regularly. Small acts like filter changes and clean tanks multiply its benefits. Your engine reflects your consistency. Now, let's wrap this knowledge into practical steps. Refuel before your tank hits empty. Avoid stations refilling their tanks during your visit. Replace fuel filters regularly. Keep receipts to track brand effects. These little habits go a long way. Next, let's recap what you've learned. 10 brands to avoid, 4 worth trusting, and habits that protect your car. It's not about brand loyalty, it's about smart fueling. Your engine's health depends on your choices. Drive smart, not cheap.
Now let's close it up, brother.
If this helped you, like, share, and comment your fuel experiences.
Your story might save another driver's engine.
Subscribe for more simple car wisdom every week. We grow together by learning together. This video shares general insights from mechanics and fuel studies.
Always follow your car manufacturer's fuel recommendations. If you experience performance issues, consult a professional mechanic.
Stay informed and drive safe, buddy.